Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to remove card from closed PayPal account. So the first step is to simply open a brand new PayPal account, and then you'll have to go and send a message to the support team. So you'll have to go to message center and then simply tap on ask PayPal assistant, and then here you'll have to simply try and talk with someone from the customer service from PayPal. So let's say that I want to remove my card from my closed account. So you'll have to simply tell them what you really want, and basically they will help you with that and they will take care of that. So as you can see here, you'll see these options, and what you have to do is simply tap on no, I need more help, and then basically they will connect you to an agent basically that will help you. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.